Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a trap beat in lmms. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss anything from me. And I'm just gonna delete those. I'm using the samples from Try Samples. You'll find the link down in the description. 808 is a must. And there's the clap. And the hi-hats. Another drop the kick. Percussion. The snare. You know when the rappers go like A O. Don't worry, I'm still here. Then you just kinda arrange these kicks. You could just skip a few spaces here to give it what they call groove. You just gotta find a way to make all the instruments fit. Now I'm gonna arrange the 808. Try to just ignore this one first. I'll explain it in my other video. So subscribe to me, guys. Don't worry, I'm still here. So this is how it sounds. Alright, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in my next video.